Google first Pixel 6 unboxing video and the real world images reveals all the box content which are coming inside. Also in the leaks we have the Pixel 6 series which will be coming with a crazy affordable level of a price tag for this flagship phone. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, the Pixel 6 series will be formally introduced tomorrow and will reportedly go on sale towards the end of the month. It's a device that is extensively leaked every single day, and we have here more and more details coming from Google itself and some of the reliable sources. And combining all those leaks and rumors and the confirmation from Google itself pretty much gave us a great idea what to expect from the Pixel 6 event. But today we have already seen that a new unboxing video has been surfaced online which pretty much confirms every single detail that has been leaked earlier about the box content and the device itself. Starting from the box itself, well, it's going to be pretty much similar to the iPhone 13 level of unboxing experience. We are going to see same level of strips which we have to pull out in order to open the box. The box comes with a USB-C to C cable and a quick switch adapter for data transfer. It also appears that Google has included a paper-like screen protector just like the iPhone 13 series. The leaked device that is coming will be supported by a 5G sub-SIG and its color is Sorta Sea Foam. Basically, the leaked images are in line with the rumors that say the standard model will be coming with a 6.4 inch of a display, and the phone will be featuring a dual camera system which supposedly coming with a 50 megapixel of main sensor coming from Samsung. The second camera will be a 12 megapixel ultra wide snapper, and it's coming with a 4600 milliamp of a battery capacity inside. So guys, the Pixel 6 is finally confirmed, but what about the Pixel 6 Pro? Well, we already know about the Pixel 6 Pro hands-on video that has been leaked a couple of weeks ago, but that was apparently a PVT unit. And that leaked video images was pretty much close to the final variant, and it provided us a good look at the device. The Pro variant seemingly feature a bigger 6.7 inch of screen, and it also has a telephoto camera. It is equipped with a 5000 milliamp of a cell. Well guys, moving towards the second leak, according to this new leak, the 128GB of Pixel 6 will be costing you around $599 in the US, and the base Pro will be retailed at $898. That's much lower than the initially expected prices and also a lot more affordable than the flagship devices coming from rival companies like Samsung and Apple. The Pixel 6 Pro might also be an incredibly lightweight for a flagship phone, and Google has also committed to impress a software support for up to 4 years and a 5-year of security update for their smartphone. Also, one of the important things that is coming in these phones is the Tensor chipset, which is the custom processor for these devices, and it is the first ever attempt from Google to develop that kind of a custom processor for their devices. And honestly, I think that this is going to be a great move just because it will give the Google a great much of a control of their devices, and they can control the pricing of their phones, and is particularly the one reason we are going to see the lower prices of the upcoming Pixel 6 series devices. Well, in short guys, it sure seems like Google Pixel 6 series will be amongst the top phones of 2021 because the pricing is great. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel to keep yourself updated. Thanks for watching. Peace.